Hey guys, I'm Roxette Arisa and you're watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY. So today we're gonna be taking you behind the scenes, giving you a little quick peek at what has been going on here at IPSY Studios. So today we got some behind the scenes footage from IPSY's editorial shoot with THRIVE Causemetics, which is a beauty company that gives back with every purchase.
It's incredible to see how far THRIVE Causemetics has come. It's truly humbling because I remember Carissa had this dream where she wanted to donate millions of products to women in need, and fast forward to today and it's happening.
The best part about my job being Thrive's founder is when you are driven by a purpose that is greater than yourself, it doesn't feel like work.
Watch the full video that's gonna be linked down below in the comments, and now let's move on to an amazing new lippy launch from Buxom. I have a brand new launch from Buxom to talk to you guys about. It is a very exciting launch because it's a really unique formula. So this is their Pillowpout Creamy Plumping Lip Powders. Shay Mitchell actually teamed up with Buxom to create this brand new line, and it's honestly anything but your average lip product. So it does apply like a normal lipstick or lip product because it comes in this tube, but when you apply it, you will see that you can get the perfect blotted lip look, like kind of like that popsicle look, just a soft, creamy lip look. And they're very, very lightweight, super soft, like I said, and there are 10 different shades. There's a beautiful shade range for this collection too. It comes with a lot of neutral pinks, pops of red, and even a bright and bold purple. And they all have seductive shade names, which I feel like goes so perfectly with Buxom because it is such a bold brand. Right now I'm wearing So Spicy on my lips, and honestly I was so impressed when I first put it on because it is so lightweight, you guys. It almost doesn't even feel like I'm wearing anything on my lips. It just kind of feels like a soft, creamy layer of something, but it's really pretty, and I'm really digging this whole like blotted lip look. The reason why it's such a cool, unique formula is that it actually has wet powder technology that makes it stick to your lips all day long, but it never feels heavy or cakey, and I can definitely see that working out because, like I said, it feels super lightweight on my lips right now. And if you're a Glamback subscriber, you're in luck because you can shop the Pillowpout collection on IPSY Shopper right now and get cash back. That's all we have for you today. I'm Roxette Arisa, and thanks for watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY.